How to draw an X in a cubed box without lifting up your pencil. Hey, Learn How to Draw Hub crew. So for the first step, we're going to begin it in the top left hand corner, and then we're going to make our way down. From here, we're going to make a triangle-like shape that will be facing the right side of our page. From here, we're going to go straight across to the right side, and then we're going to go inward. We're going to make a triangle-like shape that will be facing the opposite direction. Awesome, this is coming along very well. Now let's make a small line on a slant at the top corner. This is where we're going to make our X into a cube. We're going to draw this line straight down and then connect it to the right hand corner with another diagonal line. Nice, now let's go straight across and connect to the left hand corner. Lastly, we're going to make a small diagonal line and go straight across and connect. This is how to draw an X in a cube box. Let us know what other art challenges you want to see done. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub, and we're looking forward to seeing you next time. Hey, Learn How to Draw Hub crew. If you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.